can't believe it. A Jordan, there's only 500 ever made, and I have one right here, number 434, so it's one of the last of them. So come with me and I'll show you why that car is so special. Now, that's what I'm talking about. Back in 1999, to commemorate Honda's success with the Jordan F1 team, they produced a limited run of these very special yellow EK4s and called it the Jordan. The main differences between this and the standard EK4 are the black and yellow leather seats with the Stellar embroidered emblem. It also had a numbered and signed commemorative plaque at the top of the centre console. Lower front and rear spoiler, colour matched side skirts, the distinctive 15-inch alloys, the Hornet logo on the boot, and then finished off in the iconic eye-catching Y56 yellow. So if you would like to own a piece of Honda history, get yourself over to 𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏 competitions.com and get yourself a ticket for only $197.